Hey, it's Mike Hambright from FlipNerd.com, and we have a quick VIP flip tip to share with you from Brad Sumrok, who is going to share a tip on how to determine if multifamily real estate investing is for you.
Yeah, thanks, Mike. Well, to me, there's three ways to be a multifamily investor. One way is to buy your own deal with your own money, and that works for people that actually have, say, 20% down to invest. Okay, now some people don't have all the money to do the deal, and so maybe previously they didn't think they could be an apartment investor, but you can, and that's why I believe that multifamily investing is possible for just about anybody. Okay, so the other way, if you don't have all the money, is you could be a deal sponsor, and a deal sponsor is the person that basically finds the deal and then they oversee the asset and they do all the work. Okay, so if they don't have the 20 or 25% down, they raise the money from other people. And so now people have another option to say, hey, I don't have all the money, I got to do something else. No, you could be a deal sponsor. And the other way in that sponsorship is you could actually be a passive investor. And passive investing is a great diversification strategy. It's great for people that don't want to do all the work and don't want all the responsibility of putting the deal together. And they simply, after learning the basics, they simply find somebody they trust and they put their money into a deal as a passive investor. And so again, a lot of people are like, real estate, tenants, toilets, taxes, I don't want to deal with all that. Well, as a passive investor, you don't have to deal with it. And truthfully, even as a deal sponsor, I don't deal with much of it either because the management company deals with it. So you could be a deal sponsor, an individual without any investors, or you could be a passive investor. And by the way, if you have an IRA, a self-directed IRA, then you could use an IRA as a passive investor. So those are the three ways to invest, and I'm sure that virtually anyone could find a fit into being a multifamily investor into one of those three categories.
Thanks for joining us for another FlipNerd.com expert tip. To access hundreds of tips and full expert interviews, please visit FlipNerd.com or join us in the iTunes Store. We'd like to thank our sponsors, RealtyMogul.com and National Real Estate Insurance Group. To access the most robust social platform in existence for real estate investors, where you can find off-market wholesale deals, find great vendors to help you in your business, and learn and socialize with other real estate investors, please visit the all-new FlipNerd.com. If you're not yet a member, you can set up a free account in less than a minute. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of FlipNerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky.